Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called Message to the Label by Ace Good. Alright, this is a short dance, so what are you waiting for? Let's start. Let's go. So for this one, you're gonna go close your feet together. Alright? You're gonna go 1.2, legs 3 and the 4. So you're gonna put it down on 4 count. Alright, let's try. So 5, 6, 7, slowly 1, 2, 3 and down 4. Then grab it 5, go 6, close on 7, scoop on 8, and pause. So a little bit lean to your right. It goes like this. So it looks like this on that side. Alright? Let's try again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So lean there. Let's try again faster this time. So 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, you're gonna grab 1, punch on 2, go 3, lean back 3, front 4. From here, you're gonna go 5, drop on 6, head on 7, head 4, 8. Alright, one more time. So 6, 7, 8, slow 1, 2, go back, ha. For this one, you're gonna need to forward, releve your both legs, then going to your right, then drop to your right, head, circle low. Alright, let's do it faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. So this one is circle going down. That is clockwise. Then you're gonna reverse it on 1, 2, close on 3. 3 counts, guys. So 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3. Then this, and then your arm to your side. And 4. Step to your right to the front. 5. And 6 and open 7. Your weight is on your left. 7, head isolation, go to your right. 8. Alright? Copy? Let's try again. Okay. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Front 5 and 6 and 7. Head isolation on 8. Okay? Next, you're gonna go punch 1, 2, close on 3. Remember, 3 count. 3 and 4. Then turn on 5, 6, open on 7, knee up on 8. Let's try again. Let's pick up from here. Let's combine. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Front 6 and go 7, 8, punch 1, 2, 3, and 4. So chest pop. And 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Okay, next you're gonna go up like this. It's like you're gonna balance yourself. This is 2 counts only, guys. 7 and 1, 2. So you literally using your arm to wobble yourself. Don't just stay like this. Alright? So 7, 7, 8, go 1, 2, drop on 3, and you pose when you recover. 4. Okay? Then kill on 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can do anything on that one. Okay? So 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, drop on 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Copy? Then last, you're gonna go pop and head, 7, heel on 8. Alright? Let's try again. Okay, let's combine from here. 7 and 8. Alright? 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chest 7 and 8. Good job. Good job. Now we're gonna go from the beginning. Let's combine all of it. Alright? Let's try. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn around. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hop, and 5. Here we go. 7, 8. Ha, ha, hop. Take your time. Boom. Head isolation. Chest. Hip. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see a lot of dance tutorial in the future. Okay, and also don't forget to press the notification bell. All right, this will update you for my new post tutorial and dance video. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. God bless.